Hello everyone, this is Conmeet. Today I'll show you how I sculpted from clay Viktor Tsoi's Moskvich, the car he crashed in. You've all been asking for this for a long time and finally I've made it. So I sculpted this Moskvich entirely out of sculpting clay, grey, and very hard, non-sulfurated plastiline. Though it may not seem that way to you. So I'll show you a couple of photos of how I started making this Moskvich. First, I made the bottom, then the interior, and after that, the whole body. As for the color, the shade turned out not quite the way it should be. Originally it was darker, but still, I think it looks similar. Before painting, the car looked like this. The orange color is solid non-sulfurated plastiline clay, and the grey is primer. I tried applying it to the whole car, but it left streaks. That's why I didn't cover the whole car with primer, and as you can see I covered the windows and wheel arches so they wouldn't get painted. Next, I cover the car with dark primer from a spray can, and then, once the car is primed, I start applying the main color. I put a lot of effort into this Moskvich. It took 64 hours to build it. I highlighted it in great detail. Of course, those very license plates, YAM 6832. I also put a 1989 issue of Zarula magazine on the back seat and on the rear shelf in the trunk. I made Kino vinyl records and cut Moskvich windows from transparent plastic. Continuing. I also highlighted the car's underbody. It has an exhaust system, suspension components, a gas tank, a spare tire and other parts. Let's open the hood and see what's underneath. Here, there's an engine with 85 horsepower and at 1.7 liter displacement. I built this Moskvich's suspension to be functional using Lego parts, with rotating wheels made from modeling clay and Lego mounts. The model turned out to be in 1/24 scale. It wasn't hard to make because it doesn't have any complicated curved body shapes. Let's just say everything here is rectangular. If I were making, say, a new generation BMW or Porsche, it would take me twice as long because of the curved body shapes. I'm not doing anything with this Moskvich. I made it for the collection in memory of Tsoi, as you asked. Maybe someday I'll give it away, we'll see. Well, for now, it will stay in the fridge with the other live models. And now, I'll show you the process of creating this Moskvich from the very beginning to the final stage. I hope you've watched up to this point and that you've enjoyed everything. And if that's the case, why not subscribe to my creative channel if you're here for the first time? You can also join my V-Contactor group where I post the process of sculpting my models. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone. To be continued.